Hi, RCDOX, and this is our super cool SKYWALKER camera plane. This is a pretty cool plane. Ali Shamo kind of made this plane famous. He flies it up and down his Chinese river. Daniel at RC Test Flight had a lot of fun with his too. But it's not without its fault. One problem it has is it's just so big, almost the same size as our big smoke jumper. One of its problems is its horizontal stabilizer. We had to prop it up with carbon rods and add a lot of extras. They have the horizontal stabilizer on top of the tail, and that's sort of a problem. We think they do that to give the control surfaces in the prop wash. So we have motors up front, then we move them, so it doesn't really matter for us if it's on the top or on the bottom. When it's on the top, it creates a weak spot in the design. If you crash, their hydraulic shock comes through the plane and bursts off the tail. And your tail's just gonna snap off. We anticipated that and put a little plywood support in the tail. Even that didn't hold up and our tail eventually broke. So we put some carbon rods up here and extended it, and now it flies pretty good. If you have your SKYWALKER and you have no choice to land it in some unsuitable place on the ground, like maybe high grass, and that gets deep in there with ticks and stuff, or a short one way like we have, your tail probably has a big chance to break. It's probably a good idea if you have a SKYWALKER to put some carbon fiber support rods on it. So by putting the support rods on, you're going to strengthen the tail and you'll have a smaller chance of breaking. We've saw some people put it in a perpendicular plane here, but we think we should really angle them forward. That helps. That's going to give you support from it wobbling back and forth like this. It will also help the horizontal stabilizer for breaking off and falling forward. So we recommend angling them forward a little bit, not going just straight. And when they're angled, they actually have less resistance. So this is almost a must from the first time you fly your SKYWALKER. Go flying! Have fun! RCDOX!